Yeah, good job. Looking for this dude forever.
I found him for you.
Like 2 hours.
It wasn't hard, he was just walking down the street.
We've been down the street 17 times too.
He lived. Alright guys, so today's video requires a little bit of an introduction and some backstory. The video that you're going to be watching today is going to be the time that I accidentally apprehended a man who was wanted for federal weapons trafficking charges. The video that you're watching behind me right now is the officers that are out looking for this guy. There was a tremendous manhunt for this guy. His name is Buford Lowry. I'll put a picture of him up on the screen here. So he has federal warrants for his arrest. A federal task force asked another jurisdiction, not my jurisdiction, to do a traffic stop, and they happened to do that traffic stop on my precinct. Buford Lowry, the guy behind me, ended up somehow taking off from this traffic stop and eluding arrest. That caused a massive manhunt. Now, one of the things that happened during that manhunt is they came over our air, initially told us that the guy was on the run. We all responded to the area, started looking for him. Then they came over the air and they said, hey, can we get all the uniform officers out of the area? We're hoping that if he doesn't see any police officers, maybe he'll poke his head up and then the officers in plain clothes that are circulating can snatch him. They also had drones in the air and all kinds of other stuff. So I got out of the area, I did what I was supposed to do, and it was getting close to lunchtime. You know, this all began a little bit before 10 a.m. Now it's about noon. It's been 2 hours. I was hanging out on the north end of the precinct, just watching cars drive by, and it was time for lunch. So I jumped on a north-south road, heading back to the sub, just trying to go get my lunch, and lo and behold, I find Buford. That's the video that you're going to be watching today. I hope you enjoy. I'll talk to you guys soon.
Man, Eric might have him.
What's that?
Somebody's asking about a dude with one shoe on. Sylvan. Sylvan in Alberta. Let's get out to the street. They got him.
They got it?
I think.
What?
190?
Was there something aired earlier about a PTA with one shoe on or something like that?
Yeah, that was out of that front for, I think it was 225.
Okay, is that the guy they're looking for?
A firm. It was supposed to be a zip-up, bright blue zip-up hoodie, gray shorts, one flip-flop on, no light brown hair is heavy cut.
Okay, I think he changed his clothes, but I might have him on Sylvan near Alberta. I'll be out with him if you can get a name for me. How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, 190 has a possible one on that front.
Can you hold up for me? Can you come over here and sit on the front of my car? I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out, to be honest. What's up with your legs?
Cellulitis above my legs, man. I can barely walk right now.
What is up with them?
Cellulitis?
Cellulitis.
Yes, sir.
Do you live over here? Are you homeless? Or?
Nah, me and my wife arguing. I'm walking over here to my buddy's house.
Where do you live?
I'm on Clarendon Avenue.
Okay. Do you have an ID or anything on you?
Not on me.
Is there a name? What's your name, bud?
Jack?
Jack what?
Lowry?
Okay. I think you're lying to me.
I'm not lying to you.
At 190, I think I have him. I can't get in the car to look at pictures yet. You don't have any ID on you or anything?
No, I don't.
Alright. Hang tight for a second.
What did I do wrong, man?
Well, I think you have a warrant.
I went for what?
Some people were looking for you. I don't
What?
know.
I can barely even walk right now. I might have a warrant, man.
I don't know. I see that.
We're not real close, but if you look county, they got a bunch of cars in that area.
Okay, at least smoking my cigarette, man.
Yeah, do you have a lighter on you?
No, I don't, sir.
I don't have a lighter either.
My name's Buford, man. Buford Lowry, man.
Okay, yeah, you have a warrant.
Alright, what's the warrant for? You can tell me that.
I don't know.
He was looking for me for what?
Copy.
You can't even put me in jail any goddamn way. They won't even hold me in county jail right now.
Copy at 205 North Sullivan.
Wow, these guys have all kinds of energy. These officers are running. Yeah, just stay right there.
I can't run if I wanted to.
I know.
You should barely walk that long run.
Yeah. Why are you running? I'm good.
You Buford?
Yeah, I'm not running, buddy.
Yeah, it is.
I can barely
just
walk
haven't
right now,
got a
buddy. I
chance
can't
to
run.
Get in and run him or pull the brakes in.
I can barely walk. I ain't running. At least have a light man hit my cigarette once or twice, man.
He's walking down the road. He waved at me.
I mean, shit. I ain't got no reason not to wave at you. Ain't got no reason to hide. An hour and a half for what?
Okay. You know why?
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
What are you talking about?
Turn it off for me.
I can't even run, so what the fuck?
I was gonna let them put their cuffs on if he's there.
Hang on, I got something stabbing me in the toe.
Federal 50A. Put the ATF.
Who was?
I got something stabbing me in the toe. Hang on, one second, sir. One second, I ain't running, I ain't doing nothing, I ain't got no problems, buddy. It's just something stabbing me in the toe.
They can take it.
I'm not running, buddy. I ain't got no reason to run from you. I got something stabbing me in the
Ain't
damn
no
toe.
way you've
That's
been
it.
walking around like nothing going on for the past 2 hours.
Oh, yeah.
1,000%.
You see my damn socks are soaking wet? I've been
What
walking.
you got in here, dude?
That's just my damn keys and shit.
Some money?
Something wrong. Hey, fucking $30, some shit. I ain't got nothing on me, man. I just told you I'm walking.
You found him just walking down the street?
He waved at me as a red light.
Hey, man, look, this is all this shit for just me, man. I mean, shit, can you call my lawyer then? I mean, it's all this shit. Call Greg Summer then. I mean, get this shit on film.
You're on film? You
Yeah,
got
I mean-
14 cameras watching you. You're on film.
Yeah, but I don't your cameras ain't the same as our cameras.
No?
Nah, shit happens differently on your cameras than what happens on ours.
What camera should I get? We on the news out here?
You block yours off. You can't buy mine off.
Damn, our car's over there.
I bet you I ain't walking over there. I'll sit the fuck down right here.
No, you ain't walking. Well, you would if I had.
I bet you I ain't walking nowhere right now. My leg motherfucker, I ain't walking nowhere else. Hunker down my ass. I've been walking through goddamn to the field all the way over here. To the goddamn fucking the park.
Westgate?
Yeah, walk straight through the middle of that motherfucker all the way over here. Fuck you mean?
Yeah.
I can't put no goddamn shoes on. I walk straight through the motherfucker.
Straight across the road. Our car's
Oh, they motherfucking icky in the mountain. What the fuck else they got?
I'm glad it's on you guys.
190. I started 24 for the prisoner. It's got bad infections in his legs.
Copy.
108. Prairie Township Medic.
Well, I wouldn't like that, yeah.
What's this warrant actually for?
Trafficking firearms, guns. Yeah, I was hammering this whole area. That's the story.
Yeah.
Walk right after you.
Yeah. I flipped around. I was like, did I hear something about 1 foot, 1 shoe? He initially lied about his name.
Tack on the falsification.
But yeah, they told us he usually got guns. So we were like, that's why I started running towards you, just so I could, because we were freaking in the woods right here, looking for his ass.
I hope you got a good doctor. Shit.
I don't give a fuck about him neither.
Yeah, you're gonna need a doctor.
But I don't give a shit.
You gonna be hot wheels here in a few then.
Doctor ain't with the shit in the first place. Bitch told me I was gonna die 9 months ago. I ain't dead yet, bitch. So, ain't doing a good enough job.
Rough.
Yeah.
Have
Absolutely, they did. Pour out.
Yeah, good job. Looking for this dude forever.
I found him for you.
Like 2 hours.
It wasn't hard. He was just walking down the street.
We've been down the street 17 times too.
He literally smiled and waved at me as I was doing.
He probably is like, I can't walk anymore. So it's fine.
Me and Tim were in that creek.
Yeah, he was right here.
I didn't know where Alberta was. And I was like, okay, Sylvan's right there. He's got to be close. He probably was. Probably picked the map. Yeah.
What? He was just in the middle of the road. I saw him. I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to go get my lunch.
What's the question, man? What you want to know? What you want to know? What you want to know? I'll tell you what the fuck you want to know. Ask me a question. What you want to know about me?
I just asked if you came out of the woods.
No, fuck, I ain't coming out of the woods. I come straight down the goddamn street. Fuck am I doing in the woods? You barely fucking walk. What am I doing in the woods? Fuck myself up worse? I ain't fucking really retarded. You talk like I ain't here. Shit, I'm a grown ass man. Ask him.
Nice job, nice job.
Yeah.
I was driving down the road paying attention.
Everyone in the world was looking for him, which they aired the description like 1,000 times. Something about a guy with one shoe on.
Yeah.
I was driving up the road and he waved at me. He's like, "Hey, man." And I was like, "Is there something about that?" And these guys have been looking for him for 3 hours.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah. And it depends on your perspective on what's lucky and what's not lucky.
Yeah.
'Cause I was trying to go get my lunch. Yeah, I think they're gonna take him from me now. So that was my big concern. I was like, "Found your guy. Yeah, don't stick me with him."
His son is